Ever wondered what happens during a root canal procedure? Well, it's a common dental treatment designed to repair and save a tooth that's badly decayed or infected. Yes, you've probably heard the rumors about its painful reputation, but don't let that deter you. Modern techniques and anesthesia have made it as comfortable as getting a filling. It's a fascinating process, really, and one that can save your smile. Ready to dive in and discover what happens step by step? So what exactly happens during a root canal procedure? Let's break it down. First things first, the dentist will administer a local anesthetic to numb the area. This is to ensure that you're comfortable and pain-free throughout the procedure. No need to worry about any discomfort here. Once the area is numb, the dentist then places a dental dam. This is a small protective sheet that isolates the tooth, keeping it clean and saliva-free during the procedure. It's like giving your tooth its very own VIP section. Next, an opening is made in the crown of the tooth. This is where the dentist gets down to business. Using small dental instruments, the infected or diseased pulp is carefully removed. Think of it as a rescue mission for your tooth, eliminating the bad guys causing you pain. After the pulp has been removed, the dentist then cleans and enlarges the root canal. It's a bit like spring cleaning, out with the old, in with the new. The root canal is then filled with a rubber-like material to seal it off. This ensures the tooth is well protected and prevents future infection. To finish up, the opening of the tooth is sealed with a temporary filling. And to add the cherry on top, a crown is often placed over the tooth. This not only strengthens the tooth, but also improves its appearance, giving you back that sparkling smile. And there you have it. That's the root canal procedure, step by step. So, what are the key points to remember about a root canal procedure? First and foremost, a root canal is a common dental procedure, so there's no need for alarm when your dentist suggests one. It's a routine part of maintaining oral health. Secondly, contrary to popular myth, root canals are typically not painful. With modern anesthesia, the procedure can be as comfortable as getting a filling. Next, let's talk about what the procedure entails. It involves removing the infected pulp of the tooth. This is the soft tissue within the tooth that contains nerves and blood vessels. After the pulp is removed, the dentist cleans and seals the root canal. This prevents further infection and helps to preserve the tooth. Finally, in many cases, a crown is placed on the tooth after the procedure. This strengthens the tooth and ensures it can function normally. And there you have it, a root canal procedure demystified. Now you know what happens when the dentist says you need a root canal.